As you can see, this rim is not in a very good condition. It's very dirty and there's a lot of rust on it. But before I clean up the rust and repaint it, I need to take the tire off. The tire is also in very bad condition, so that's going to get changed. It belongs to a car that I'm busy restoring. The first thing I've got to do is let the air out. I'm going to be using my scissors jack to put pressure on the tire so that I can break the bead. But before I start, I have to find a nice strong doorway. This is stone over there and also a stone wall on the other side. So first of all, I need to protect this wall. So I'm going to put that piece of wood there to take the pressure. And I'll put this piece of wood. But I also don't want this flat on the ground. I want it a little bit higher. So I'll put that there. And this is the piece of wood I'm going to be using to break the bead. The beading is sort of like a sealant adhesive. And apply some pressure over here. Now I'm going to wind the jack up a bit. Now I'm just going to turn the wheel a bit more. Because the beading is on both sides. And if you find that when you stand on the edge of the tire and it doesn't go all the way down, if you find it doesn't go down enough, it's probably because there's still air in the system. And if you get a thin enough pair of long nose pliers, you can actually get it inside there. Just so that you understand a little bit better, when you put the long nose pliers in, it's not that part that you have to grab. If you look down a little bit further, there's another thing with a flat on both sides. So instead of a long nose plier, you could actually put a flat screwdriver, very small one on that side there and the one on the other side, and then twist it around. So now we try again. And it goes pretty easily, no more air left inside. We'll try the other side. The other side is completely free, but this side still seems to be stuck a little bit, so I'm going to spray something in there. Put my jack on the other side, and I've got that piece of wood over there, which is a little bit narrow at the top than this one, so hopefully it's going to concentrate just on that one spot. Spray. You can actually see this rubber is actually still gripping, but round about there I've actually pushed the tire all the way in. So now that was the first place, now I've moved the tire a little bit around and put that piece of wood in a different position. Okay. So, by standing on it now, make sure that this inner lip of the tire doesn't rest on here, it rests on the inner lower surface. Now when it does that, there should be space on the far side to flip it over. And once you've got the one side out, and the other side comes out pretty easily, it's supposed to. Now finally I have the rim out and I can start restoring it and taking all the rust off and repainting it. But my advice honestly is don't try this at home. It might be a 6 or 7 minute video, but it's actually taken me 2 hours and a lot of blood, sweat and tears. So thank you for watching.